Congratulations on completing your syllabus quiz. Let's look around the site. Your e-text and your homework can be found under this tab right here. The very top one is the textbook, and underneath it you'll find all your mastering assignments. Each week you will have a week's assignments, and it'll have a list of things that you'll need to complete. You'll have lecture materials. This has PowerPoint demonstrate and videos that you need to listen to that help you understand the material. There's also a guided reading assignment to help you when you read the text to focus in on the important points. And lastly, there's a weekly quiz. You can't see the next week's assignments until you've finished this quiz. It is timed, it's open book over the material in Chapter 1. Okay, we're off to a great start.